The Oscar fish is a species of fish from the cichlid family known under a variety of common names, including tiger oscar, velvet cichlid, and marble cichlid. In South America tropical, where the species naturally resides. Ocellatus specimens are often found here. The incredible appearance and large size of Oscar fish have quickly elevated these species into the spotlight. If schooling fish are just not for you, then look no further. They are often described as very intelligent and interesting fish. You will undoubtedly notice how smart these fish are. Here we are going to know about the 10 most beautiful types of Oscar fish. Number 10. Green Oscar. As surreal as it sounds, green Oscars might just be the most extravagant of all types. Their body is mainly green with other colors mixed in, mainly black and yellow. Green Oscar type has an amazing variety of different patterns and coloration. Usually though, they have a couple of dark green bands on their body and yellow-colored scales. Number 9. Lemon Oscar. If you see the lemon Oscar at a pet store, you can find they are modest. But interesting appearance might confuse you for another albino or white variety. However, this is not the case, just like their name suggests. These fish have a yellow gradient on a mainly white body. Some of the specimens would have a really saturated yellow coloring and some would have bright yellow patterns on their skin. Number 8. Florida Oscar. Florida Oscar, another most beautiful Oscar fish. As we have already mentioned, Oscars have been successfully introduced to multiple parts of the world. One of these places is Florida. They even have their own variety now. The Florida Oscar fish looks similar to the tiger variant and they also have an easily recognizable pattern. Number 7. Veil-tail Oscar. Veil-tail Oscars have become a separate type due to their long, almost see-through thread-like tail. Although their coloration may vary, the majority of fish will be black and orange or reddish. Their tail will be covered in easily distinguishable bright orange spots that can reach as far up as their head. You will also see fish with orange lines running across their body. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help our channel. Number 6. Albino Oscar. The last of the 3 parental types, albino Oscars are almost entirely white with the exception of their pattern. Albino Oscar has a closely intertwined orange-red lattice that is usually found towards the end of the body. The density and complexity of the pattern vary from individual to individual. None are the same, and that is what makes this species so exciting. Number 5. White Oscar. Lookalikes of the albinos, white Oscars have lost the iconic orange coloration and ended up with a pale shade of pink. This color nicely blends in with the rest of their body and makes it look almost like these fish are white from head to tail. This white Oscar looks wonderful on any kind of background and any type of substrate, whether it's dark or white. Number 4. Black Oscar. Pretty simple but nevertheless stunning, black Oscar fish is one of the best looking fish out there. Their coloring is mainly black with light bands running across their body. Some specimens might also have a lighter belly as well. Their fins are fully black and their eyes have an orange rim. Number 3. Blue Oscar. First up is the blue Oscar, a majestic-looking fish whose body is almost entirely covered in contrasting shades of blue. They too have a pattern on their body, but this one is a bit different from the rest. Their pattern looks more like a connected system of channels filled with bright blue colors, rather than a disjointed mesh-like appearance. Their scales have a dark blue lining, which makes them stand out. Number 2. Red Oscar. Another iconic type, the red Oscar can be identified by their beautiful two-colored appearance. Their coloring is a nice mix of black and fiery red. The two colors merge somewhere around their back and the transition is almost seamless. Their eyes will have an orange rim and slightly protrude above the head. Number 1. Tiger Oscar. The tiger Oscar is one of the most popular types around. This fabulous variety can be distinguished by the pattern on their skin, resembling that of a tiger. Usually this pattern is near the tail, but sometimes it covers the whole body. Most of their body is black with a bright reddish or orange pattern. Are you like this video? Well, let us know and we'll be hanging out with you in the comments. If you're not want to miss any of the daily value we provide, make sure to subscribe and follow us on social media. You can never have too much fish info video that we handpicked. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. We uploading trendy news, business ideas, fish info and travel tips video on a daily basis. Thank you.